What's up, guys? Welcome back. Before we start working on the door functionality, I would like to show you something that I've been working on. Matter of fact, two things that I've been working on. And I'm using the client because 9 times out of 10, if it works on the client, it definitely gonna work on the server. Okay, so nothing here is new. Okay, and this is where the new stuff starts. So now, as you can see, the layout change. Here would be where all the sales that I made for today will show. And this is where if I get any application, like somebody want to work for me or want to work at the company, this is where the application would be. And this is where I can collect the money I made for the day. Okay. And as you can see, I have a timer. Open time is set on a timer. You can adjust the timer to whatever time you want. And as soon as I hit open, the timer will start counting up. And then this is where all the money that I made for today. Okay, so when I open the store, timer start, and then even if I walk out of here and open it again, see, timer still going. And then if I close the store, timer clears, and then open it again, I can just open the store, right? So now, if I go here, now, um, if I click this, as you can see, it says I have one item in my cart, tell me the price, and I can add a lot of them. Let's say with $1,000 worth of waters and stuff, 10, and then let's put a Red Bull in here for 3,000. So watch my money. I can empty the cart, and then everything clears out. And if I add 5 waters and 2 Red Bulls, 45. Let's make it 5 grand, right? 5,000. Okay, and then if I hit buy, clears out, and then as you can see, I have the item in my inventory. Now, if I go here now, okay, and if I go to the sales, as you can see, this is all everything I sold for the day, and it tells me who sold the item. So because it's me, it let me know that. Like for example, let's say if you have a lot of people working for you, then you come here as the owner, then you can see who's making the transaction and what they're selling, right? And then as you can see, I have 5,000 and time is still going. And then I can go to the bank. Let's say it's time for me to close. Go here, collect the money, and then as you can see, add it to my account. I can close the store now, and then I can just, go about my business. All right, cool. So that's the first thing. The second thing is I added a pretty much a job system. I had a subscriber request wanna to add these type of job system, so this is what I'm working on. So basically, um, I have it where you can have different different type of jobs. Okay, so but for now, let me move a little closer. Oh yeah, before I say, see these are like the drop off location. So there's three, or you can add as many as you want wherever you want them. Okay, so that's three of them. So if I go here now, this is where you can change the type of job it gives you. Okay, so now it's truck delivery, van delivery, and then we're gonna add more to it. Okay, but for now, I only have the van working for now, and the same concept for gonna apply for the truck. Okay, so put this over here, move over there. So now let's say the client went and requests a job. Okay, that's his van. And then the server said, oh, you know what? Let me go steal your van. Nope, you can't get in because the van doesn't belong to you, right? But let's, but the client, because he's the one who requests the delivery, he can get in the van. And then as you can see, it select one out of the three delivery spot that I have. Okay, if I start my car, well, I gotta go fix the light. I don't know why it's not working. So I can just go here, boom, and then once I'm at the right spot, right spot. Like, come on, I know I can do better than that. Park, and then hit G to get out, and then you can see job completed. I got 100,000, And now you can see my money went up, and I can continue doing that. I can go and get another job, get in, and now you can see it select another point. Now I can deliver it somewhere else, and you can keep doing that all day long. But I'm gonna add, and then you can see now my money went up 400,000. So, but now to make it a little bit difficult so people don't just, you know, keep getting driving and driving and keep doing it over and over. One, I can either add a timer to it, like how often can you get jobs, or two, I can make it where, hey, the car has to be a certain condition, like, okay, well, the car cannot be too damaged. If the car is damaged, depending on how much damage you make to the car, we're gonna remove some of your money, okay? Or we can do it where if you die too many times doing the job, the person won't give you any more job until your trust level went up. So, I mean, goes up. So get in the comment, let me know which one you think it's best to apply. So let's get cracking on the door, because I know I've been talking for a while now. Yeah, whatever. It's the same location thing. So let me open my current project. Yep. So this is my current project. So I took my time, make a build a better house. Okay. It's the same house over here. I just got it, and this is the mesh I'm working on. Okay. But this is the blueprint component for the house, where I can just go here, boom, buy the house. And then now we're gonna work on the door, okay? So we're gonna put the door here. So once I purchase the house, it's mine, then I can open the door. Okay, so uh, bathroom, whatever that is, living room, uh, you know, whatever I want to put in here. So I'm just showing you the house. And then this is my little closet and stuff like that. Okay, so um, I already have. Hopefully, you build your own better version of your house and stuff. Okay, and then you added to the BP house. So now we're gonna add another box collision. Okay, and we're gonna call this one door collision. And then we're gonna move it around. Move it around. Put it right here. Right by the door. Nope. Get it. And then let's make it big. Let's say what about 100? Seems fine to me. 100, let's say 80. No, 150. Let's move this a little bit closer in, and then give more room in the inside. And then this one, let's put it at 100 as well, or 120. The height doesn't matter too much. Like that. But I like my stuff certain way. Okay, like so. So let's get a event begin play and an event and overlap. I mean, begin overlap and overlap. And then select the house and add a static mesh and then call it door. Okay, I already built my door. Hopefully you have your door built as well. So I gotta let's see. Yep, door, click it here. A beautiful door right there. Get it. I'm just putting in a position. Let me remove these so I can just better position the door. most importantly, make sure your pivot point is down here. If you create the door in Unreal, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the pivot point, right? So, okay. So if you go to the graph, we can cast to, matter of fact, we don't need to cast. We can say get JC character ref, promote this to a variable. Oh, no, we already have a character ref. From the other thing, we can just set it right here. From the by, matter of fact, we can just copy everything like this. And then let's move this down a little bit. Paste it right here. All right. And then put this over here. Okay. So here, enable input. And then we can say, can interact with door. Okay. Make sure it's replicated and then set it to true. And in here, set it to false. Okay. So now, what we're going to do, we can do the same check for owner thing, but we gotta go to the character. What is this? Okay, that's hiding components and stuff. And let's go to input. Where is my interaction input? Where is it? Interaction. All right, okay, I don't have it. Okay, so inside the input, let's add IA interaction. Yeah. So let's get a sequence, because with the E key, when we click on the character, we might want to do different things. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to go to my replication graph, open it up, and then I'm going to say create a custom event, call it server open house door, because we might have to open different door. Copy this, and we can just say MC. And there we go. I know it's a multiplayer game, and then I know usually the doors, most people do it on a rep notify, but we don't really care to let people know if how our house doors have been open or not. So if you're not right in front of us, it doesn't matter if you know if the house is open or not. But if you right next to me or in the area, you will see the door open, you know. So here, what I'm gonna do, it's which one? Where did I save my current house? Let's see, BPC house. I have an array. Okay, player info. I have an array of houses. Okay, so here I need to get player info. So from the player info, we're gonna break it, and okay, yeah. So from the player info, we're gonna break it. We're gonna get the house array, okay, and we're gonna say for each loop, what's this returning? House BP. We're gonna say get house info, and then we're gonna break house info. So what I'm doing here, I'm checking to see if that house belongs to me. where is it? Owner. If the owner is equal to myself. And then later on, we're gonna add a functionality where you can give people keys. So we're gonna come back to this, okay? On the false, we're gonna say we're gonna check to see if people have keys. So if the house belongs to me, let's say let's print string, and then we can say enter, right? And then say MC open doors, house doors, right? Let's make sure it's yep. And then here we can say can't enter. Okay. So now, and where is it? In the input, we can call server open house door, right? The first one. Before we do that, let's check here. Let's check can interact with door first, because we don't want to open doors if we're like 5-10 feet away from the house. We want to make sure this is true first. Okay. Making sure can interact with doors is true. If it is, we'll be able to do so. So, matter of fact, yeah, let me go here, door collision, so I can see it. See if I go here, that house is not, I can't even do anything because that house is not mine. But if I go here, by the house, enter, see, now I can enter the house. But the reason why we didn't see anything is because this was false. Matter of fact, we need to put this a little bit back like so, and then let's make this like that, so that way people can have enough room to interact with the door. Okay, so now back here where I say okay can enter. So what we're going to do, we're gonna do a timeline. So we're gonna say timeline open door time line, right? Open it up. I want my door to open in take 1 second to open. Open value, and then hold shift, click, select the first one, say 0 0, and then the second one value 1 and 1. Oops, 1. And then we can make sure you check replicated. Okay, make sure you check replicated, and you can select both of these, and then right click and say auto. You get something like this. And in here, let's see what I'm trying to do here. We get the door from the house. Okay, this door right here. Where is it? This door mesh right here. And make sure we also component replicate. Check that. Back to the character. Let's get a flip-flop for now, and then we're gonna check to see where the door location is. First, we say play, and then we click it again, say reverse, and then here we say set relative rotation, and then we can just break this, and we get a lerp, and then put it to the alpha, and then let's see how far out I want my door to open. Wait, hold on. Ah, come on. Let's see. 90 is fine. On the Z, we only want to do it on the Z. So 0 to 90. Okay. So now if I go here, buy the house, press E, house open, door close. Okay. So now even if this guy, let's see, no, let's get two players. Okay. 2 players. If I purchase the house and then this guy say, you know what, let me go in your house. Nothing, see, can't get in because the house doesn't belong to him. Now if I open my door, he can still come in now. If I open my door, I let him in, you know, and then close the door. Now he's in here and then he's stuck forever. But this right here, let me see. Over here, can't enter. This is, let's see, no. Where is it? Yeah, the can't enter one. This is what we're gonna check to see if the player has any key, or we can do it where we have add them to our close friend or guest list or whatever, so that way they can enter the house. And the reason why I'm doing this is because what if we have multiple houses? You know what I mean? We make a lot of money in the game and then we want to buy mansion, we want to buy a lot of houses. So we don't want to just have one singular house. Okay. So with this, let me add a comment. Say open doors. And in the next video, I'm going to create a global function like this that's going to allow us to open any doors. All we have to do is just call this the function, and then we'll plug up the door, connect the door, and then everything should be fine. Okay, so let's take a look again on what we just did. So we can walk here. Matter of fact, if we go here trying to open the door, can't open the door because this is not our home, right? But if we go here, buy the house, we can open the door, close the door, and then on the server, and let's check it on the client to make sure. Client buy the house, open door, close door. All right, so that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have any question, or if there's anything that you would like to see in the game, you can leave it in a comment and I will try my best to add it to the game, because sometimes maybe I cannot add it because I don't know how to do it, but if I can, I definitely add it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.